Welcome to Max Me Education. I am your Manoj sir. Today our topic decimal form to fraction form. This is an easy way method. For example, he is given one problem that is equal to 0.36. This is in decimal form. I am going to change in fraction form. Very simple. We have to write 36. Point after have 2 digits. Simply have the denominator add 100. Okay, very simple. Okay, next 4 9s are 36, 4 25, 9 by 25. Both are co-prime, numerator and denominators are both are co-prime numbers. What is the co-prime numbers? The common factor is only 1. It is a co-prime numbers. Okay, if I take another one number, so for example I have to take 3.25. This is also decimal form. We are going to change into fraction form. Same 325. So write point after how many digits? 2 digits. How many digits you have? Keep that many zeros in denominator. Easy method. Okay? Right. Next 25 4s are 100. 25 1s are 25. 112. 25 5s are 25 5s are 100 and that is equal to 15 by 4. Okay, this is the decimal form to fraction forms. Okay, if they are not repeated, if repeated, what we have to do? Okay, that is important. Listen here. So if I am going to take 3.8 bar, that means 3.8 bar means 3.8 after 8 continuously it goes on. So we are going to change this decimal form to fraction form. So assume x is equal to 3.81 bar. Okay. So here bar point after one decimal that contain only one bar. Okay. Periodicity is only 1. That's why how many numbers are repeated? Multiple with that many zeros. Here only one digit is repeated. 8 only repeat. That's why I have to multiple with one digit. One digit means 10 only. That is equal to total equation 10 into x 10x, that is equal to 3.8 become 38. 38 after same 8 bar, that means 8 continuously repeat. Now assume this is equation 1, equation 2. So equation 2 minus equation 1, that is equal to. So 10x is equal to 3.88 bar continuous loop. Again x is equal to how much? 3.8 continuously goes on. Cancel. 8 minus 3, 5. 35. Because every 8 is cut on. Subtraction only. The remaining digit is always here only 0. Because 8 minus 8, 8 minus 8, repeating, that is equal to 0. 10x minus x. 10x minus x, 9x. 9x is equal to 35. Or x is equal to 35 by 9. Okay? This is 35 by 9. Right. Next. Another one problem. Say, for 1.62 bar, 1.62 for the decimal form we are going to change fraction form. Very simple. Point after 2 decimals. So multiple with 2 zeros. That means 100. So x is equal to 1.62 bar and multiple with 100, that is equal to 100x is equal to 100x is equal to 162.162 and so on. Because 62 is repeating. So assume this is equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1, that is equal to 100x is equal to 162.6262 and so on. Same here also 1.6262 and so on. Subtract, we are getting zeros only. 0, 0, 0, 0. that is equal to 1. This is 6 and 1. X is equal to. Okay. So 100 minus x, that is equal to 99x. 99x is equal to 161. Remaining all are 0 only. Therefore, x is equal to 161 by 99. Okay. So another one method, another one example. This is previous one digit, here 2 digits. So I am going to for another one example. So what is that? 3.127 bar. 3.127 bar only. Here after have only one number is repeating. One number is repeating. So point after 3 decimal, but only one number is repeat. In this situation, so you have multiple with only one digit. 10, that is 10 only. So let x is equal to 3.127 bar. Okay. Next. Again x multiple with 10x, that is equal to same 31.27 and so on. So equation 1, equation 2, equation 2 minus equation 1, equation 2 minus equation 1, that is equal to 31.277 and so on. Again here, so 10x is equal to, next x is equal to how much? 3.127 bar. Continuously go. 7 get cancelled. Here also are goes. Next to 7 minus 2 5, 2 minus 1 1. Here now will go take borrow. 11 minus 3 8 and 2. Okay. Next 10x minus x, that is equal to 9x. 9x is equal to 28.15 or so 9x is equal to 28.15 or x is equal to 28.15 by 9. Okay, here little change, point after 2 decimal, that's why I am keeping 2 zeros in denominator. X is equal to 2815 by 900. So it is 5 anja, 5 180 is a. Next to 5 5 is a 25, 5 3 is a 30, 30 after you have only 1, 5 3 is a 30 and 3, that is equal to 500 and 5 5 are 25, 3 remainder, 5 6 are 31, 3, that is equal to 563 by 180. Okay, this is the another method. Is there any shortcut? So already it is a general formula. So whenever you have to repeat a term, I am going to tell some shortcut method in this situation only. So same 3.8 bar, very simple, point after 1 decimal, so 38. So which number how don't have bar, subtracted from that only by that many zeros, 9s only. So 3.8. So 3 didn't have bar, that's why 38 minus 3, total number minus which number have didn't bar, subtracted that. How many numbers are repeating? Only one number repeating, that is equal to 39, that is equal to 35 by 9. 35 by 9. Now check your regular method also. Next again 1.62 bar. Same method. So write total number. So which number have bar? Didn't have bar. Only one have didn't bar. Minus 1 by. So 2 number have bars. That in denominator how to write 2 9s. In denominator how to write 2 9s. 162 minus 1, that is equal to 161 by 99. Okay, same for example, if I am going to write 3.127 bar, same as it is hard to write, 3127 minus, here only 312 didn't have bar, same I have to subtract, 312 by, bar have only one number, 1, and after 0.2 decimal is there, they didn't have bar, that many zeros have to write. Subtracted, you are getting 3127 minus 312582, that is equal to 2815 by 900. Okay, simplify, getting 563 by 180. So whenever you are using competitive exam, you are using this method. In regularly in our school classroom, how to use a follow method. Okay, this is the method or concept of decimal to fraction forms. Okay, thank you students, thank you for watching my video.